Hey there everybody, it's Brian from Brian's Kitchen. Thanks for coming by today. Today, we're boiling eggs and we're gonna make some egg salad. In fact, it's gonna be the best egg salad, period. So I gotta tell you, right off the start, I've never been good at boiling eggs and then peeling them. They always seem to come apart on me. Apparently, some chef on YouTube says that most people, when they boil eggs, get it wrong right from the get-go. They put the eggs in a pot, cover it with cold water, and then they boil it on the stove, and once it comes up to a boil, they take it off, and then that is where the mistake is made. What you need to do, apparently, is start off with some boiling water, then add your eggs, and then turn the heat down for about 13 minutes so they hard boil. Apparently, what happens is if you put the eggs in initially, add cold water, it allows the membrane on the inside of the shell to adhere to the egg, so even though you might cook the egg perfectly, you'll never be able to peel it without a huge mess. I hate the mess. If this doesn't work, I'm literally gonna shove one of these eggs up this chef's rear end, I'll tell you that much. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna start off by putting in the inch of water into my small pot here. Step one complete. And now we wait. Oh yeah, we've got boiling water, people. Let's grab some eggs. I've got 5 precious little eggaroonies about to go in. 1 precious eggaroonie, 2 precious eggaroonies, 3, 4, 5 precious eggaroonies. Carole Baskin did kill her husband. We're going to turn down the heat now to a medium, and we're going to let it go for 13 minutes. Let's go! Oh, there it is. Let's go get them. Okay. Eggs are now boiled. Now what we need to do is cool them off. Grab your bowl, grab some really cold water. Just to make sure, we're going to add some ice. I don't want to stick my hands in there, so let's grab the eggs here. Ice bath. So help me, if this doesn't work, I'm going to lose it. We've got to let my eggs sit in the ice bath for 15 minutes. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. While those are cooling off, I'm going to chop up the rest of the things that I'm going to put in my egg salad. If you remember from my last video when I did the tuna salad, there's a couple main things you need to remember. Something crunchy, something oniony, and something mayo-y. Expired mayonnaise. It's back, and we're going to eat it again. Those are cooling off. Let's chop some onions and stuff. Again, you don't want a ton of onion. I've got red onion here, and I've got an apple because I'm gonna use that as my crunchy bit. I could use celery just like I did with the tuna. However, with egg salad, sometimes it's really nice to have a little hint of sweetness inside of the egg salad. Chop it up very fine, add it to a bowl. Same goes for your apple. Chop it up really fine. You don't have to use the entire apple if you don't want to. I'm only using about maybe 3/4 of it, maybe only half of it. That's a lot of apple. It's enough onion. I've only got 5 eggs. I think that's good enough. I think it's almost ready to go. Let's go check it out. Oh, that means it's ready. Okay, the moment of truth. We're gonna get these eggs out of the water and start cracking them and trying to peel them. I have to admit that I am a little bit nervous right now. This has never worked for me. Like, I don't know what it is. Peeling eggs, I hate it because it never ever works, but I am praying right now that it's gonna work today. One trick that I've been told is crack it and then you just gently kind of roll it, and then let's see here. Oh, something's happening here. Oh my goodness, it actually freaking worked. Can you believe that? Oh, I swear I would have thrown this egg across the room if it didn't. Oh my goodness. Look at this, it's just gonna pop right out. Oh my goodness, look how clean that came out. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to thank that chef who told me about it. Look, there's not even one little bit of shell left on there. That's great, but that's awesome. Throw that in there. Now it's gonna be pretty easy to go through the rest. Oh my goodness, look, I just twisted it and it just came out, just like that. Whew. I gotta tell you, that makes me excited. I know it's a little silly to be excited over breaking eggs, but I just can't believe it. All right, let's put all this crap away now. Okay, so let's get to actually making the eggs. Eggs are in my bowl, as you can see. And all we're gonna do, we're gonna take a fork and we're gonna mash them. As you can see, I'm just pushing my fork into them and mashing them like this. Let's push it against the walls of the bowl. This is the way I do guacamole as well. I just kind of keep smashing things in circles. I just keep turning the bowl so I can keep getting big chunks of it along the way. That way everything smashes up evenly. I think we're just about ready. Next, we're going to add in all of our ingredients here. We're going to add the apple and the onion in there. So let's start off with adding in our apple. Like so. And then our onion. And now our mayo. Typically I put about a quarter cup of mayo in this because you want it to be a little creamier, as opposed to the tuna, which only had about 2 heaping tablespoons. This is going to be a little bit more, so I'm going to throw in 1, 2, you know what, we'll go for a third. See how that goes for now. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now mix. Okay, looks pretty good. Next step. Nice grainy bread. Always use a thicker loaf of bread. Sometimes it's really nice to use the Wonderbread for this if you're just making a sandwich where you maybe don't want to toast it and you just want it to be nice soft bread, nice soft egg salad, or you can put it in a wrap. You can do whatever you want with egg salad, I guess. We're gonna put it on a nice piece of toast. The way I like some of my sandwiches is sometimes I just like an open face sandwich like I did with the tuna. This time what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the bread and I'm gonna pre-toast it and then put the egg salad on top. That way the toast is nice and crispy. It doesn't get soggy from all the egg salad. Let me toast my bread, I'll be right back. We should probably give this a taste while you're here. Oh my gosh. That little hint of apple. Oh, just the sweetness that's in here. It's a little bit of oniony. It's not too much mayo. Man, it's beautiful. Woo, here we go. Now, add some of this egg salad right on top there. Just like that. Now that is egg salad. Yeah. Now that is what egg salad's supposed to be like. All right, guys, look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know everyone's bored in this quarantine thing, but I thank you so much for stopping by my channel and checking out the recipe. If you liked what you saw here, hit the subscribe button if you like it. If you like it, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you do your egg salad. Also, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks for coming by my channel. We'll see you next time.